National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, eastern Montgomery County, eastern Miami County, southern Logan County, western Greene County, Clark County, Champaign County, until 4 a.m. At 3:09 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Fletcher to West Carrollton, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Huber Heights, Kettering, New Carlisle, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, St. Paris, Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Xenia, West Liberty, Yellow Springs, Springfield, Urbana. In addition, Oakwood, Havenview, Christiansburg, Plattsville, Ballou, Woodbourne Hyde Park, Centerville, and Overlook Page Manor are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 32 and 65, Interstate 75 between mile markers 42 and 69. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 a.m. Friday morning for southeastern Indiana and northern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.